Hello friends, in this video I am explaining Cat5 cables, UTP cables. First, this one is two pair two pair Cat5, and second one, this one Cat5E 4 pair. This one Cat6 cable. This also 4 pair. Cat5 cable support below 100 Mbps. Below 100 Mbps with distance 100 meters. And Cat5E cable also support above 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. This also below 100 meters. And Cat6 it will support up to 10 Gbps. This also 100 meters. In this two pairs, orange pair, green pair. First here we have discussed (568) B type. I am explaining. First pin white orange, second pin orange, third pin white, green, fourth pin in this dummy, fifth pin dummy, sixth pin green, and seventh pin also dummy, eighth pin also dummy. So white orange transmit TX plus, orange transmit TX minus, white green receive RX minus, green pin receive RX plus. This Cat5E cable contain 8 wires arranged in 4 twisted pair. Arranged in 4 1 2 4 twisted pair. So with this also same, but this fourth pin blue, fourth pin blue, and white blue, fifth pin. This one bidirectional bidirectional plus bidirectional blue white bidirectional directional minus, and this white brown here, white brown white brown plus bidirectional bidirectional plus add brown also bidirectional minus. Now I will show how to make straight cable, then how to make cross cable also. First we have to white orange, orange, white green, then blue wire, blue white, then orange, then brown white, then brown white. Here left side we have always take left side is first pin, so please insert, we can see measure the this slave go to inside in that, so we have to make this leads shorter, then it will goes to cut it very straight, see, and then insert in this very straightly, just the black sleeve go to inside, that means it catch perfectly, very tighten. Then they use this crimping tool, this one is crimping tool, insert, then press it. If another side also same, this another side here also same, that means straight cable. I am making now cross cabling. Take then remove all this. Now cut it this. Now take here A type white green first. Second green, third white orange, third white orange, then blue, blue, blue white, then orange, తర్వాత brown white, brown white. Like this, make this and take one jog, take left side, measure the length you want and cut it very slightly. Then insert it. Now press it. Its sound will come. This one is cross cabling. This one cross cabling. A type here, B type here. This one cross